Tesla is upgrading the electric motor of the Cybertruck to a more efficient and reliable motor. Tesla has recalled all the Cybertrucks after a video went viral showing issues with accelerator pedal. Tesla has reached out to some Cybertruck customers to replace their drive unit as part of a study. Here is a message given to Tesla customer. Tesla is conducting a study on the drive units in early Cybertruck vehicle. Your vehicle has been selected to participate at your next service visit. This appointment and replacement, you don't need to pay any type of cost. Tesla will replace one of your current drive unit with the latest production category, which is intended to improve efficiency and reliability. However, customer wants to know or Tesla did not specify which front or upper motor will be replaced. All Cybertruck currently have at least two motors. Tesla specifies that current drive unit is not dangerous to drive, making it sounds like this new upgrade version is simply or more refined version of the electric motor.